Attention, all health enthusiasts. Are you looking to reboot your liver and improve your overall well-being? Today, we're diving into the world of superfoods that can effectively cleanse and rejuvenate your liver. Ready to discover the key foods that can transform your liver health for the better? Let's get started. For our soup, we have the classic powerhouse of nutrition, leafy greens. Think spinach kale and arugula. These leafy greens are packed with chlorophyll, which helps to remove toxins from the body and support liver function. Next on our list is the humble beetroot. This vibrant vegetable not only adds color to your plate, but also contains betaine, a compound that helps protect the liver from damage and supports its detoxification processes. Moving on to everyone's favorite, avocados. These creamy fruits are rich in healthy fats and glutathione, a powerful antioxidant that plays a crucial role in liver detoxification. Don't forget to include garlic in your daily diet. This aromatic ingredient contains allicin, a sulfur compound that helps to cleanse the liver and promote overall liver health. Turmeric, known for its anti-inflammatory properties, is a must-have spice for liver health. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, can help reduce liver inflammation and support its functioning. Last but not least, green tea deserves a special mention. Packed with antioxidants called catechins, green tea can help protect the liver from damage and improve its overall health. Remember, incorporating these superfoods into your daily diet can make a significant difference in rebooting your liver and promoting overall health. By incorporating these liver-loving foods into your daily routine, you can give your liver the support it needs to function at its best. Start making small changes today to reap the long-term benefits of improved liver health. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and tricks. Here's to a healthier, happier you.